Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare BMW X7 vs Mercedes GLS 600 full comparison. Follow along and take notes as I break down the key differences in power, comfort, cargo space, and tech so you can decide which SUV suits your priorities and budget with confidence. Start with engines and driving feel to see where they differ most. I'll describe acceleration, handling, braking, and ride comfort, and point out which model suits daily driving, long highway trips, or spirited backroad runs. Listen for differences in engine note, transmission behavior, and how adaptive systems change the character of each SUV under different conditions. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more helpful comparisons. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep sauces and salads secure during weekend drives or long commutes. They save time and reduce spills in leather interiors. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab a set before your next test drive. Now let's get back to the video. Now I'll walk through interiors, comfort, and connectivity so you know what daily life feels like in each SUV. I'll compare seat comfort, legroom, cargo practicality, and how intuitive the infotainment and driver aids are. Pay attention to control layouts, visibility, and optional luxury upgrades that can change the ownership experience and long-term comfort for families or frequent travelers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.